Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here's some stuff I've picked up from a couple of estate sales in the past 10 days or so. And you see I got a couple toolboxes. Well, here's what we got. So first of all, we got this snap-on 3-drawer intermediate box, vintage. Pretty good little unit. Got the handles for the side and the top there. Sure. Then I picked up this Craftsman with some tools in it. Most of it's trash, but funny thing is, it still has the Craftsman paperwork in it. And we also got this Craftsman toolbox here, and we'll go through that at the end. So here's what we got for the miscellaneous. Got a couple of these Harbor Breeze remote control for a ceiling fan. That's the part you wire in and makes your ceiling fan wireless. Okay. I found this. So this is a Harley Davidson toolkit. Some of it's missing. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools in it. Somewhere I have a screwdriver for this set, but probably sell this individually on eBay. I got this Matco AC 85530. We'll lay it down, Bubba. 85530. I think this is for some kind of air conditioning tool. It says one tool does it all. Fits R12, R134 oil change cans. And I got this lot here. Got some oil filter wrenches. Got this Greenlee fish tape. Got some Vice Grip Peterson. I think they're welding, I call them welding clamps. Got this unusual C-clamp, 3-way. Not really sure what that's for. It says number 243, B&C Company. So it's got the URL code on it. And then I got this bionic wrench, made in USA, it says on it. Never had one of those before. Put that back on the side. Okay. And the next thing we got here is a couple of snap-on 24-inch half-inch drive breaker bars. And then we hit the tool bags. We got like 3 Thomas & Betts crimping tools. Got this Blue Point crimping tool. There's one I haven't had before. That's a Diamond WS19. Got a nephew that collects these. I got this rigid 814 aluminum pipe wrench. There's a Baco crimping tool. I got 2 of those. I guess I only got 1. The Craftsman magnetic bit holder 43373. And I don't know if you can see this. It's a Ford. I don't know if they call it an F wrench, adjustable wrench. You guys know where this came from? I just saw a Ford on it and I thought, man, that's pretty cool. Should buy it. Get that stuff out of the way. That bag is empty. Okay. Get this bag up here. This is the Milwaukee hacksaw, 12 volt. Yes, they do work. So I got these two tools and the charger, along with some Diablo blades. Couldn't pass that up for 50 bucks. That might have been my best deal of the week right there. And then I got this Tecton. It's a 6-inch adjustable wrench. Couldn't pass it up for $1. Okay, now we're gonna get into this Craftsman box. I did pay like $70 for this, the auction. Part of the reason is I saw these swivel sockets back here, and they look to be a Mac, and that's what they are. Mac, so it's 15/16 down to 7/16. Pretty hard to pass that up. Yeah, we'll go through the rest of it. Show you what we got. Got this snap-on metric hex bit or hex wrench set. What does it say on there? Goes up to 10 millimeter. I'm thinking it's either 2 or 3 to 10 millimeter. Looks like a Craftsman diagonal pliers. And we got a handful of Craftsman sockets. Kind of a rough 1/2 by 9/16. Got a custom bend to it. It's Westcraft, custom made. I don't know if you can see that. We got a little vice grip Peterson. And this one's a Pittsburgh. There's a Mac 3/4 by 7/8 line wrench, OHB 2428. Nice little 5/8 combination line wrench, opening COB-20. Some kind of crimping tool. She's tight, guys. Okay, here's another Mac line wrench, 5/8 by 11/16, OHB 2022. And then we got a Craftsman Forged in USA VV 44 701 3/4 inch. And I don't know if this is Chinesium. I can't read what it says there, so I'm taking a good guess. It's a power built 15 millimeter combination. A Matco socket and another Craftsman socket. Another Mac socket. Okay, we go into the bottom. kit here. Looks like a motorcycle tool kit. There again, got the, looks like Chinese writing on. Not sure what kind of a tool this is for, but it was in there. So, put that on the side. We got a real nice Thomas & Betts here. Crimping tool for A, B, and C. Staycon WT111 or 112M. That's a nice little unit. Got a hyper tough 16mm ratchet and combination wrench. Here's a Gardner Bandic or Bander crimping tool. And then we got a Craftsman Professional 41895 screwdriver. Crescent screwdriver. Don't know what this other one is. And then here, guys, we also got some deep Mac impact sockets, and got some shallow impact. They're all Mac. I saw the Mac sockets and I thought, hey, you know what? This has got to be worth buying for 70 bucks. So altogether here, guys, I spent 70 on this toolbox. This Snap-on intermediate box, I believe I spent about 120 on that. The Craftsman intermediate was about 70 bucks. And then these other miscellaneous tools, I'm guessing that we were around, I think it was about $60 more. So that's what we got for this week, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next one, you all have a great week. Thanks for watching.